the range of technologies that a data analyst must be familiar with is huge. It spans myriad tools, platforms, hardware, and software. Now, the basic tools on which you can perform data analysis includes the knowledge of Microsoft Excel, SQL, R, and SAS. These are spreadsheet-based tools that help in analyzing and deciphering information from large datasets. On a more advanced level, there are tools like SPSS, MATLAB, Python, and Hadoop, which uses advanced statistical knowledge as well as programming skills to predict future behavior from analyzing large datasets. As our course title suggests, we are going to focus this course on learning Microsoft Excel as a tool for data analytics. It is the most frequently used spreadsheet in today's world that can help analysts to analyze, synthesize, as well as visualize information in a meaningful way. In fact, a lot of the other technology platforms that you see here are heavily derived from Excel in terms of the data analysis platform. Let us jump straight into a comprehensive deep dive on Microsoft Excel as a platform for data analytics. Let us now look at a very comprehensive overview of Microsoft Excel as a platform for data analytics. Microsoft Excel has been used in the business world for the data analysis purpose since 1985. Over time, there are several upgrades that have happened to the tool, which makes it the most frequently and commonly used spreadsheet in modern day business. Irrespective of whatever role you may be in, it is difficult not to work in Microsoft Excel at some point of your daily work life. Excel is a comprehensive tool that allows us to analyze, synthesize, and visualize information easily and in a meaningful way. There are 4 broad features of Microsoft Excel that makes it very useful for data analysis purposes. First, Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet that allows to do almost any level of data manipulation and analysis. As we will see further in the course, there are some basic and advanced Excel functionalities like the lookup functions, pivot tables, slicers, etc. that will help you to play with any amount of data. Not only this, Excel is quite capable of handling extremely large sets of data for analysis purposes. Hence, it is quite suited for the job of a data analyst. We like to believe that you can do magic with Excel for the purposes of data analysis and manipulation. Second, Excel has great visualization tools that helps to present information in a graphical way. There are basic charts like the line graph, column graph, etc., as well as some advanced charting functions in Excel that makes it highly apt for a visualization tool. We are going to look at all of the visualization tool in Excel further in the course. Third, and a very important feature of Excel is that it allows for creating an interactive user interface so that the user can make a choice of what he or she wants to see. There are some advanced Excel functions and functionalities like the offset function, the list function, and etc., which will help you to make your models dynamic and interactive. We are also going to look at such functionalities in this course. And finally, the icing on the cake is that Excel has inbuilt programming functionalities like VBA macros that allows to play with extremely large and complicated volumes of data very easily. It allows for creating repetitive functions in Excel, especially on large data sets. There are some inbuilt statistical add-ins as well that will enable you to perform statistical regression-based analysis on large data sets. We are going to look at this feature as well in this course. So as you can see, Microsoft Excel is a comprehensive tool for analyzing, synthesizing, and visualizing large data sets for data analysis jobs. It is one of the greatest tools that has been built for data analysis purposes. No wonder it is being used by more than 1 billion people in their professional work life. And hence, in this course, we provide you a very, very comprehensive deep dive for the purposes of data analysis.